Want to program a flip key for your 2011 to 2017 Buick Regal yourself? It's doable. These models use older GM systems like PK3 Plus, making DIY programming feasible. You'll need a working key, a blank-compatible flip key, and potentially an OBD2 adapter for diagnostics. The core method involves manual ignition cycling to synchronize the new key's ID with your car's body control module. While dealerships charge $150 to $300, DIY success rates are high, but watch out for battery drain or BCM errors, which can necessitate a costly dealership visit. Stick to verified tutorials to avoid issues. Start by ensuring you have at least one working key that is already programmed to your vehicle. Insert the working key into the ignition and cycle it. Turn from off to on, then back to off. Quickly press the lock and unlock buttons on both the new and existing fobs in sequence to enter programming mode and synchronize the keys. Remember, timing is crucial. Allow about 10 to 15 seconds between each action to avoid triggering the vehicle's lockout system. Use a multimeter to check the fob battery health before starting, as a weak battery can cause programming failures. If problems occur during programming, an OBD2 scanner can help clear codes from the body control module. Be aware that programming errors can reset the entire system, and aging electronics may lead to body control module issues that require professional help. For future-proofing, consider transitioning to digital key options, as legacy flip key systems are becoming less supported over time.